Aloha! So today is an angel day. Every month on the 11th and the 22nd, they're angel days because that's the master angel number. 11 means new beginnings and 22 means dreams come true in alignment. So I always pray that whoever comes my way that day are my angels. And you're only allowed in my grid if it aligns. So today I had 19 spray tans, so I had 19 angels and then some others that were just in contact, like Andrea, who's filming this right now, and my speech therapist for my little girl and my and her daddy. So I asked them all to write down what it is that they want to grow right now in this season, because we started a new season. The summer solstice was yesterday. And so some of them wrote money, and then there was a lot of self-love and a lot of confidence, health as well, trust, and I chose intuition because I want to grow my intuition more. So I chose to do it the yin way with water, and you can use water to purify or to install. And so I just put water into this bowl and rose petals and then some other flowers from my garden. And I had it sit in here all day long, and now I'm going to install it into the grid and upgrade the energies for the people who put things in here. So I'm gonna use the singing bowl because I love the singing bowl. And so that you can hear it, and hopefully the vibration comes to you as well. So if you're watching this right now, pick what it is that you want to grow. Don't think about it. What do you want more of in your life right now? It could be even more trips, more vacations, more spray tans. Okay, so I'm going to ask, I asked the dowsing system and their guides to remove all non-beneficial and negative energies on their spiritual, physical, and mental bodies, transmitting them into pure fifth dimensional energies of healing, peace, love, and joy. And please help them to be 100% of their pure potential and have their heart's desires flow to them. So I'll just do this for as long as I feel like I need it to, and that the vibration stays consistent. The reason I love sound therapy, sound healing, is because it is vibrational, and it can move across all time, dimension, space, and realities. It clears and installs. So I feel like the vibration is pretty strong now, consistent. So I'll just end it. So you can do a little ritual like this for you at any time. It doesn't need to be on full days like a full moon or an angel day. You can do it anytime that you need to release. But I love using water these days to purify, because it's just such a yin way of doing it. And it's just so much softer. I used to love to burn things. I still do that occasionally, but the softer way where it just flows into your life, I just find that's just so much easier. So give this a try. If you want to remove something from your life as well, like maybe it's certain bad energies or like sadness or grief, just put it on a piece of paper with your intention and say, I'm ready to let this go now, and put it into the water. And you can just sit that out into the the full moon or the half moon or whatever day, and to absorb that energy. And then you can just throw it away, bury it. So I hope that helps you to form rituals for you. And everything is ritualistic and intentional. Little ceremonies like this, even though they seem silly, it really does magically do something in a way that maybe that you didn't think would be possible, and that it's easier than you think. So let me know if you try it. Send me pictures of it, or if you need help with